Sorry I've been uploading lately. It's just I'm far too busy with schoolwork and that tutorial. Just been giving you a little bit of stress. But there's a winter storm warning going on. I was just playing Greenville with Seconds Garage Doors, and Shepherd Wolf and somebody else. Oof, it's cold. Hope the street light right there, right where on my front porch, is holding on tightly because there's wind. And pretty sure they're gonna pile that snow on the road over there in the morning. And I see some fog. Whoa, just a little bit. And that's it. SE12 over and out.